You just let me do it. Let me do it. Oh my god, look at this! Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel, and as you can see today I'm joined by my little sister Hannah. Hi! So if you clicked on this video you can obviously see from the title that we are going to be trying the 24 hours handcuffed to my sibling challenge, but in lockdown. To be honest, we pretty much spend 24/7 together anyway, so I think this should be pretty easy for us. I don't know. No?
Seriously shit me in the face.
Seriously shit me in the face.
Speak for yourself. So we know this video has been done like a million times on YouTube before, but we just thought it would be really funny if we tried to film one together. To be honest, it'll just give us something to do with our day. Fill the day. I ordered us a pair of handcuffs and it said online that they weren't going to be here for another 2 weeks. So then I had to order a second pair that was going to come earlier, and they both came on the same day. So there's really no excuses now. We have a spare pair, so if we break one, we can't really get out of it.
Yeah, no, people break them all the time.
Yeah, I've seen that in videos too. Yeah. These ones look a lot stronger, so we're probably going to start with these ones.
These ones are sharp. I think they're sore to hold. I've hurt my hand to hold them.
Oh no, we're not using those. No. So before we start the video, everyone, don't forget to subscribe and smash the thumbs up down below, and also click the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. Now that that's all out of the way, let's just get on with it. Morning. Today's the day. Are you not excited?
2 hours later.
Okay, so I finally got Hannah out of bed. It is now 11:09. 11:09. We're gonna flip a coin and see who gets their right hand free, because we're both right-handed. Do a coin. So you call it.
Heads.
Yes! No, we're doing that again.
No, we're not.
No, we're doing that
No,
again.
we're not. No, we're not. Come on.
Aww. Handcuffed now for the next 24 hours. So first thing we're gonna do is our makeup. You don't mind?
Ah.
Oh. I need to wipe my sponge. You want a carved? Oh yeah. I feel like this is less of a handcuff challenge and more of a do your makeup without your glasses. How do you put your glasses on? You have to do your eyeshadow with your glasses on. Alright. Do you want to attempt that? Oh yeah. Hold on. I can do this. It just doesn't like. I just realised I forgot to put a top on. Should we start again? How are you going to put them on? What's your makeup? Right, you're in charge of the lashes.
1 eternity later.
So everybody, that was 24 hours handcuffed to my sister. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe and give it a thumbs up. What? I wish. That was a really long time. I have to pee. Okay, Okay, so it is now 12:30 and we are going to have a snack.
No, mine's up here.
Do you know it's only been 2 hours? Okay, so we've had our snack and I realised that I forgot to put a top on at the start of this video.
Good job, Rich.
We're gonna attempt, got one here, to put a vest on.
I think this will work.
I can't really see it working, but it's quite flimsy.
I have it in my head, right?
What's your makeup?
Right. You're in charge of
The
the
lashes.
Right.
What are you gonna do now? Flimsy.
I have it in my head, right? You need to step into it.
It's actually about to rip.
No, I believe you. Thanks, Sam. Did you hear that? It's just a vest. I'll buy you a new one.
No.
Just go over your head. It's not gonna work. Oh, you've nearly got it.
It's not going
There.
over my head.
You got it. See? There you go. And that is how to dress a Rachel.
It's not going
There.
over my head.
It's a wee bit stretched now, but sure.
A wee bit stretched.
It's
It's
easy
like
to get off.
snap in half. Of all the handcuff videos I watched, I've never seen anybody be able to do that.
But I've seen people change clothes. So they obviously cheated.
We didn't cheat.
You saw it here.
Saw it here first, folks. But like, look how much it stretches
Right,
now.
let go.
It doesn't even
Yeah.
stay up. Now we're gonna go do some chores.
Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel.
Okay, so the time is now 2:22.
Calling 222. Sorry, I can't call 222.
Okay.
Anywho. Seriously, shit me in the face.
It has been 3 hours, 3.5. That is the longest 3 hours of my day. Right, so we're gonna make some lunch now and we're gonna have takeaway pizza. What you want to do now?
I need to change my bed sheets.
Change your bed sheets.
I actually do though, because like I tanned the other day.
Well, you're not going to be able to change bed sheets like this.
Well, we can try. We
No.
can't do anything like this.
No, I want to go outside and read. Right, no, we're just going to flip a coin because I'm... No.
Do you have a coin?
No.
Right, you call it.
Heads.
Tails. You took me my bed sheets.
That's not right at all.
But it's a square.
What?
And oh, Rachel, it's gonna fall. Is it? It's just
So it is now 5:30?
5:45.
But what we forgot about was it's Hannah's turn to cook dinner. Well, that for me. So What are we making today, boss?
Chicken! Look at all those chickens!
Ah, what?
Just let me do it. Let me do it.
I need more butter.
Let me help. Get the butter, that would be helpful.
I can't go get the butter without you.
No more butter.
That's enough.
Later.
So, it is now 8:30. We have tea. How are you feeling?
Fed up.
This is probably like the hardest challenge ever. I think people make it look a lot easier. I think this should be pretty easy for us.
I just want to go sit in a room by myself for 3 days.
Hannah, I need to go to the toilet. It is now 10 o'clock. We're gonna get ready for bed. Also, I just want to say that I don't really condone using a face wipe and not washing your face after, but when you're handcuffed to your sister, like, I think we'll make an exception. So we somehow managed to take off our makeup and change into our pajama bottoms. Now we're gonna watch Desperate Housewives and go to bed.
Good night.
3:28 a.m.
It's 3 o'clock in the morning. We're still handcuffed. She's fast asleep. This is insane. I don't know why anybody does this.
The next day.
Morning. It's 9 o'clock and we normally get up and do our workouts like first thing in the morning. I am doing the 3,000 burpee challenge, so that is 100 burpees a day for 30 days. Video will coming soon. Hannah wants to do Chloe Ting.
I'm doing a 30-day Chloe Ting challenge.
So anyway, we're just gonna flip a coin. Do you have the coin?
No.
Heads, we do burpees.
Heads.
Hey!
Do
How many
that.
burpees can you do?
I don't even do the like, what do you call it?
Chest to floor.
I don't even do the chest to floor ones.
How many can you do? 10?
10 maybe.
Okay, so we're outside now with the mats all set up and we're gonna do 100 burpees. It normally only takes me like 9-10 minutes, so it'll be interesting to see how long this takes. Hannah's really excited, aren't you?
I cannot wait.
Oh my god, look at your wrist! Can you see the wrist?
Oh my god!
How did that happen? They opened.
Where are you going? 47, keep going. Ow. 48. Ow! 99. 100.
That took me 16 minutes and 38 seconds because somebody cut her wrist.
You can argue that you cut my wrist.
I'm hungry. So it is 11:08.
11:08.
Do we have the key?
No.
Please take them off.
I don't think we should speak for several days.
I'm gonna get in my car and drive really far away. Show everybody your injury.
There you go.
Like, that is dedication. Okay guys, so that was 24 hours handcuffed to my little sister. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe and smash a thumbs up down below. Also click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next one. That's what I normally say. I'm gonna say bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye, Felicia. Bye.
Right, 3, 2, 1. Bye.